Hey you guys, so several of you I've already talked to this week about putting supplements in your AOScan, and it's been fun. I love talking to you guys, but I realize that when you have new people coming on, you're going to want to be able to explain it to them, and maybe just sending them to this video will make it easier. So let me start. So we already do the basics. You already know how to do your easy scan, your inner voice, and everything like that. But what about supplements? We are saving so much money knowing what supplements we should take and can take. And we actually had a friend, Bentley wants to join me here, sorry. We actually, whenever I pull out the AOScan, he wants to be on my lap and using the AOScan. So please excuse me here. But we had a friend who actually, several friends, one I talked to yesterday and one that's a friend through Instagram, who took a supplement that caused pancreatitis. She should not have taken it. You guys know that when you go, maybe even you get, told by your acupuncturist, chiropractor, nutritionist, whatever, or you read it online or you go to the store, you might think you're supposed to take a supplement, but it could actually cause maybe a healing crisis. Maybe it's too much for you. Maybe it's not methylated. Maybe you can't deal with it. Whatever the reason is, you should not take that supplement. And it's better with this technology, you guys. It's no longer $38,500 for your AOScan. This was $495, $149 a month. We've been using it almost 2 years. I know what I should take. I can check 3 times a day. So let me show you how. Okay, can you sit down so I can do this? Okay, it's like having a toddler that's 14. So first of all, be sure your name is at the top. And I'll scooch it in a little closer so you can see. My name is at the top. And hit your name at the top. And it will pull a drop down. And you'll see supplements and therapies. That's the top thing. AOScan Solex has already put supplements in here for you, which is awesome. So first of all, go ahead and add all of them by doing the little green book or catalog, and do select all. Be sure you select all, and then you'll scroll to the bottom and do add to client. Now you can select specific ones that you want for yourself or for your client, but I did select all for me. And then when you're done, it'll take a few minutes, but it'll actually check them all off, and they will show up whenever you do a quick scan or an easy scan. It will show what homeopathic remedies you need and what items from Solex you need. But let's say you already have things on hand. For 9 years, I've been taking this product. It's an amazing turmeric. Those of you who know me know how much I love this. And it comes packaged so it's not losing the antioxidants. It's washed with antioxidant-rich water. It's sanitized, and it comes packaged like this. And on the box, it says to take 5. So what I do is you want you to take a glass. I have glass bowls here. Take glass bowls or glass little, some people use shot glasses or just a glass. And I'm going to punch 5 of them out and put them, since that's what it says on the box is a dose, I'll go ahead and put 5 of them in a glass. Actually, before I do that, I'm going to show you what we do. We want to add a supplement. So we're going to go to the top here, go to the pink. See where it says plus? You want to hit plus, and we're going to add a supplement. What we're going to do is type in the name of the supplement. So in this place, it would be turmeric, kangen, ukan. I would type that in there. Then I would put in how many times a day I want it to check. So when I do a quick scan, do I want it to check morning, noon, night, or just in general? In this case, I went ahead and checked all of them. I checked morning, midday, evening, and general, but I did not check therapies. We'll get into therapies later. Then I put a description. So you can do a description as detailed as you'd like. You can read it from your box. As much information as you'd like, you can put in there, or as little information. Then it says the dose or quantity. So I went ahead and selected 5 for the dose or quantity. And then where it says unspecified, if you tap it, it will do a drop down. It will say, do you want to put it in as a capsule or a tablet? Is it a scoop? Is it a gummy? is it drops or whatever. So you select whatever applies. And then after you've selected that, let's see, we'll go out of there. Then what we want to do is you can save it. So save on the bottom right, you'll hit save. And then what we want to do is go over to the AOScan Easy Scan, or AOScan symbol, go down to Cephi, and after you hit Cephi, we want to erase the bowl, the cup, the glass. We want to erase it. So normally you'd lay this flat. I know I have it on my tripod here. Normally you'd lay it flat. You'd hit erase, and you'd set your glass on it to erase it. Let's see. Oh, you have to hit erase and it will work. So then you erase. It takes about 20 seconds. When that's done, then we go back to the AOScan symbol and it will open up your name at the top, go back to the supplements, go back to choose, go find where you were doing your item, which was, for us, it was this one, the Kangen Ukon Turmeric. Find it, hit it, select it, and since let's see if I can find it here. Hold on. Let's see, I'll find it. Ukon, it's in alphabetical order, so Ukon. It's already in there. Then what you want to do is hit scan. So you'll put the dose in your little cup, and then you'll set it on on the AOScan when it's flat, and you'll hit rescan or scan. And what it will do when you set it on there is it will upload the frequency for 5 Ukon. I'm going to have to redo this because it won't work anymore for me because my Ukon weren't in there. But you'll lay it flat on a flat surface, put your 5 Ukon in there, and upload it into the scanner so that you'll know if you should take this anymore. Oh my goodness, I've been taking it for 9 years. Should I still take it? Is this something that I should take? Is there, you can put in 3 or 4 different turmerics or curcumins and see which one resonates with you, which one your body can handle and tolerate. The other thing you can do is you can make 5 sections of it and do one with 1. Even though it says a dose is 5, why not make one for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, even up to 10? Sometimes I need 10 a day or 10 at a time. So it's pretty exciting. Do you guys see this? I love it. Let's go into therapies on the next video because this is huge, you guys. If it were only for this, your AOScan is worth it. We've been to practitioners that charge us for an appointment. Let's say that's $149. And then by the time we go back the next month, we need totally different supplements. So take time to upload your supplements into your AOScan so you know if you need them or not. Is that a deal? You guys excited? Because then, let me just show you how you're going to use it. So you'll go to your name at the top. Let's say it's all put in there, and I'm going to have to redo my Ukon because I kind of messed that up. So every day, you guys already know, you've probably already been doing inner voice. Maybe you've been doing easy scan. Maybe you haven't been doing quick scan. Quick scan is so fast. You click it. This is one that you do need your bone conducting headset with. So let me grab that to show you. This comes with your AOScan. And some people put it, my tripod. Some people put it under their chin. It depends on your facial structure or your beard or whatever. So some people put it like this. I like it over the top of my head, like a headband, but it needs to go right in front of your ear. And some people like it behind at the base of their head, and then, you don't want your hair there, but put it so it's in front of your ear. So whichever way you're going to wear it, you'll put it on. And when you hit quick scan, you guys see this? You'll do morning, choose morning or whatever time of day, midday or evening. When you do it, it'll remind you to wear the bone conducting headset. I like to choose general and morning, and then I like to do therapies too, which we'll go into next time. Then when you hit next and you hit scan, in just seconds, so morning, next, okay, what am I doing wrong? Morning, next, there we go. Then you'll hit scan, and I should have the bone conducting headset on, which I don't. In just 10 seconds, it will show us what we need and what resonates with us. Sometimes it's the homeopathic remedies that are already preset in here. Sometimes it's hardly anything. So in my case today, it says I need the Ionix Gold, which is a really great fulvic acid from Solex. It's been saying I need that a lot. So tomorrow's day of discovery, I'm going to order a bunch of it at 20% off. And anyway, I'm excited, you guys. Use this part of your AOScan. Okay, let's keep learning.